I'm Ransom Ryder. I'm hanging out in the kitchen today. I wanted to make something that I always loved when I was growing up. I've not had one of these in many, many years. My childhood, far behind me, far behind me. But I'm sharing some recipes, some treats, some foods that I grew up with. I grew up in North Carolina in the Smoky Mountains, and this was absolutely a fantastic little weekend treat or an evening treat. My parents worked. I spent a lot of time with my grandparents on the weekend. My grandmother made biscuits fresh every single day. Every single day for breakfast, we had fresh biscuits. I didn't know it growing up, but now I look back and I'm like, wow, she worked so hard to have a great meal and some good foods. This treat is so good. Hang out with me because I know you're going to want this. All right, these are some biscuits that were prepared here in the kitchen yesterday. I'm going to slice this, cut it right in two. I'm going to take some of the mayonnaise, give it a nice big dollop, and you're going to want to dollop both sides. Be generous. Be generous. Get that mayonnaise on this biscuit, and then we're going to come in and we're just going to pile up some barbecue potato chips. Now, the secret to this is you're going to want to smash them. You are going to want to smash these barbecue chips, come back in, do another couple of layers. And as a kid, I loved a smashed bologna sandwich, and I love these smashed biscuits. Let's do one more smashing. The barbecue chips, I love. I even think today that I would love a little of my favorite barbecue sauce on here just to take it up a notch. But this is how I had it growing up. Let's give it a taste test. Will it be as good as I remembered? Oh my gosh. Hang on. I'm going in for another bite. I'm here to tell you, this is as good as I remembered. Barbecue potato chips, a biscuit with mayo. You can't beat it. This was a childhood snack that I absolutely loved with a glass of tea. I'm a tea drinker. So good. Let me get another bite. Then these biscuits, they're homemade now. No canned biscuits. This is homemade. That's so good. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I see now why I have such fond memories of these when I was growing up. Leave me a comment. What was your favorite little treat when you were younger, growing up? Have you ever had a biscuit with barbecue potato chips and mayonnaise? Let me know. I'm Ransom Ryder, and remember, the journey in the kitchen is best shared with friends. Come hang out with me. I need some friends. Enjoy these. Bye. Bye. I've got plenty. There's one for you and one for you. Bye. I'm going to continue to enjoy these. Catch me on my next adventure.